Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'm making delicious cabbage rolls. Tender cabbage leaves stuffed with a savory mix of ground meat, rice, caramelized onions, and carrots, then baked in a creamy tomato sauce. Making cabbage rolls at home is much easier than you think. You'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you'll help it grow, so I can share even more tasty recipes with you. The best cabbage for this recipe is fresh, green cabbage with crisp leaves. Boil the whole head of cabbage briefly, just until the leaves soften enough to separate. Don't overcook it. You want the leaves pliable, but not mushy. While the cabbage is cooking, peel 1 carrot and 2 onions. Grate the carrot and dice the onions. In a frying pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Start by sautéing the onions until translucent. Then add the grated carrot. Cook together for about 5 minutes until soft and fragrant. Set aside and let cool. Traditionally, cabbage rolls are made with a mix of ground beef and pork, but since I don't eat meat, I'm using plant-based Impossible ground beef for a vegetarian version. Mix the ground meat with the sautéed onions and carrots. Add 1 cup of pre-cooked al dente white rice, salt, and crushed black pepper. Mix well with your hands. And if it feels spooky, perfect timing. Happy Halloween! Forming the rolls. Remove the softened cabbage leaves. If the inner ones are still tough, return the cabbage to hot water for a few more minutes. Trim the thick rib of each leaf for easier rolling. Place 2 tablespoons of filling on the wide end of the leaf and roll it up like a burrito, tucking in the sides. Arrange the rolls seam side down in a dish. In a heavy-bottomed casserole or Dutch oven, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half a can, about 14 ounces, of crushed tomatoes and 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Season with salt, sugar, and crushed black pepper. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and carefully place the cabbage rolls into the sauce. Cover and simmer over low heat for 20 minutes. Turn the rolls gently and cook for another 20 to 30 minutes until tender. You can also add a touch of hot sauce if you like a little spice. Garnish with fresh dill and parsley and serve with extra sour cream or creme fraiche. Enjoy your homemade cabbage rolls. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye!